Hi everyone! Welcome to Mrs. Claus's kitchen. We are making a quick breakfast. This is a wonderful, quick, easy, light breakfast that I make for Papa for the big day because he got so many sweets, so many cookies. So we're making cream cheese croissants loaded with blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries, but I'm a quick, easy. I want to use blueberry filling. Here is some finished ones, as you see. They look delicious. They're quick and easy. Now, I don't just add in cream cheese. I go ahead and whip me up some cream cheese with half of a can of the condensed milk and a tablespoon of powdered sugar, just to give it that extra little sweetness, and the cream cheese kind of sets up a little bit better and doesn't melt all the way around. Those are the finished products. So I've got 4 more here to make. Let's get out our parchment paper. I use parchment paper. That's going to help you with your cleaning. We're going to set them right on there because this is going to be messy. It is nice and messy when you do it. So, as you see, here's my whipped cream cheese. I got a little powdered sugar and the condensed milk. That's all in there. And then I'm using canned blueberries. You can use fresh if you want. Mash up a few of them. Put a little bit of those mashed in with those whole ones, and you'll be good to go. All right. So, what I do is I just kind of layer this on here. It's messy now. And then I take about a tablespoon of blueberries. Just put that right on that triangle there. Then I take just a little bit more, a dollop of the whipped stuff, and then I roll it. And don't worry, it might be a little messy. That's okay. Make sure it's rolled. As you see, it's kind of rolled. All right, the next one. Take it on out of there. Slather on that whipped cream cheese and condensed milk. Dollop on just a little. Maybe I need to move over here just a tad. I'm going to move over here so you can see me doing it. And then we're going to take it and then roll it. And y'all, it is a little messy, but I promise they cook up nice. Hand-held nice. That's what I call it. Let's do this one. Ready? Here we go. Put that cream cheese mixture on it. I like to get it on that top so that way it gets extra crispy. Oh, look at that. Put a little bit more of that cream cheese mixture on it and then start folding it. And they're messy. But if you're like me, it's only messy when it's only good if it gets a little messy. Look at this. It's messy. But that's what they make water for. Let's do it again. Little cream cheese. Then we're going to put in our tablespoon of blueberries and then just a tad more cream cheese. So, one thing you can do with this cream cheese mixture is you can now put it on the top. Let me go wash my hands. We're cooking in Mrs. Claus's kitchen. You could take this mixture and you can just drizzle it over the ones that are done. It is so good, so delicious. It's not just cream cheese. I'm going to pop these in the oven. They're going to need about 12 minutes. Here's our pan. Take your parchment paper. This is why I love parchment paper. Set it down in there. And these are going to cook up beautiful. We're going to go ahead and put them in there. You're going to do that for about 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. But this is our continued product. This is our finished one. It is so good. You might can kind of layer some of that other cream cheese on there. It's super delicious. That is perfect. That is perfect. You'll see that blueberry in there. Just so good. Don't eat a whole one if you don't want all the calories. that really packs some flavor, y'all. So simple. You're in the kitchen and out. Because many moms cook meals for Christmas Day, right? Or they bake Santa cookies or whatever. These are super simple. Blueberry cream cheese croissants. You can change it. You can do strawberries. You can do apples. You can do any fruit you want. Super easy. Super delicious. Give it a try and let Mrs. Claus know what you think. Get those hearts a-flowing. Put that love in the air everywhere. Go ahead and get the hearts flowing. Thank you so much for all the hearts. Continue to share out the videos. We're continuing on. I'll probably get on tomorrow and read us all a story. It might be a new book about a certain little best friend. Y'all have a great night.